Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group membership, where you can come sew along with me and other members our year-long block of the month, our fall mystery quilt. We have guest designers, swaps, and sew days throughout the month. Check the link in the description for your personal invitation to join me. Today, we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Jenny Doan Missouiri Star Christmas Quilt Box. So I've got another video that you can check out what's inside as far as when you open the box. Today we are going to be unwrapping one of the days and see what's inside. I love surprises, so this is going to be a lot of fun. All right, with my box open, we're going to dig around and we are going to find our day today, which is number 1. So yes, you kind of get to see what everything is because you need to find that special seal that shows number 1. Oh, here's number 2. I'm going to set these aside. I don't know if I'm going to be able to pack this back up after I get number 1 out. Oh, here we go. Number 1, number 1, number 1. All right, let's take a look inside. It feels like a box. It feels like a book of some sort. See. Oh, these look like little bags. That's fantastic. Okay. So this is day 1. We get So Light fusible interfacing. It's a 17 by 18. So double-sided iron on. All right, what do we get? Scrappy fabric card making kit. This is adorable. Create 6 greeting cards and 6 gift card holders. I'm going to slide this off so we can take a look inside because this is fun. So here's our envelopes. Oh, here's our cards. So they have different colors. Oh, they're colored inside and out. That's kind of fun. We've got white, blue, lots of different colors. And then we have these cute stencils. Do you see the shapes on those? A deer, star ornaments, birds. These are kind of cute. Oh, some stockings, mittens, little house. Oh, this looks like a gnome. So here's the body and the head and the hat. That's cute. Cupcakes, gingerbread, kitty cat, because everybody has a pet, of course. All right, and then the instructions. This is a lot of fun. So you get the fusible, so you can put your fabric together, fuse it, cut it out, and then iron it and press it down to make your cards. Then they've got some examples here. That's super cute. All right. That is the present for day 1.